Welcome back to another Decipher Tools tutorial. Today we have a short video to show iPhone users how to time track daily and monthly text message usage. This is helpful so you can have an exact daily or monthly count of message usage on any iOS device. Many law firms, lawyers, and accountants will find this helpful for ensuring that billable hours of text message usage can be accurately documented and saved. If you'd like to be kept informed of future Decipher Tools tutorial videos, simply click the subscribe button below. In order to keep track of daily and monthly iPhone text message usage, you need to use the software Decipher TextMessage. Most people use Decipher TextMessage to save and print their iPhone text messages as a PDF document. If you need information on how to do that, just click the link above to watch one of our product videos that will walk you through how to save and print your text messages. Again, in this video today, we're going to be covering one of the other really cool features of Decipher TextMessage, which is that you can save records of daily and monthly text message counts with the program. Let's get started. Step 1. Back up your iPhone on your computer. If you're on a Mac with a recent iOS like Catalina, Big Sur, Monterey, or even Ventura, which comes out this fall, you can make a backup via the Finder. Earlier Mac OS users and also Windows users can make a backup via iTunes. Keep in mind that Decipher TextMessage also has a custom text-only backup option within the program. This feature will let you just back up your text messages and attachments. This is helpful if you have limited space on your computer and you only want to back up files relevant to your text message data. Step 2. Install Decipher TextMessage on your computer. You can download the program from deciphertools.com and install the software on any Windows or Mac computer. Simply scroll down on the deciphertools.com webpage, select the Decipher TextMessage option, and when you get to the product page, click Try for Free. Then you can click Download Decipher TextMessage. If you're on a Windows computer, the download page will automatically prompt you to download the installer for Windows. And while we're running today's demo on a Mac, this also works on any Windows computer. When you open Decipher TextMessage on your computer, you'll see your iPhone in the left-hand column of the program. The software will also conveniently read in any existing iPhone backups that reside on your computer. Select your device by clicking on it in the left-hand column of the program. After selecting your device, you'll see all your iPhone contacts in the middle column of the program. Step 3. Choose any contact that has message counts that you want to export. In this case, we've selected Allison. And in the far right-hand column, you'll see all the conversations between Julia's iPhone and Allison. Step 4. Select Export, Current Conversation, and scroll down to one of the monthly message count options. You'll see several options here, including a monthly message count summary and a daily message count summary. Keep in mind that if you don't want to export the entire message count summary for either a daily count or a monthly count, you can choose one of the date range options to narrow down your export. For today's demo, we'll select the monthly message count summary. Step 5. Select a folder or directory on your computer to where you want to save your monthly message count summary PDF. For today's demo, we'll select the desktop. After successfully exporting the message count summary PDF to your computer, a window will conveniently open to the folder that contains the PDF. The next step is to open the PDF on your computer by double-clicking on it. You'll see your monthly message count summary with that individual. In this case, it's for December, and we have 9 total messages and 2 attachments between the two parties. If you had a larger amount of messages or attachments, they would all be listed here in the exported PDF. The next step is to print out the PDF that contains your iPhone message count summary. With the PDF open on your computer, simply select Print in your PDF viewer. You can now print out either the monthly or daily message count summaries of your iPhone text message communications. The free trial of Decipher TextMessage will let you export and save a few message counts and give you a good feel for the feature in the software. If you then want to save all your daily and monthly message counts, you can upgrade to the paid version. Let's go back and quickly do a daily message count export. Select a contact, choose Export, select Export Conversation, and scroll down to Daily Message Count Summary. Select where on your computer you want to save the data. Double-click on the PDF and you'll see your daily message count exported with that user. If you're using Decipher TextMessage to save or print, your monthly or daily iPhone text message count summaries, and you have any questions, simply drop us a support email at deciphertools.com. We'll be happy to respond via email with any helpful answers to your product questions. You can also visit deciphertools.com to read customer testimonials.